figure out why.
Why would you have trouble with materials? Come on.
It's not like everybody's
everything
wearing masks.
from ourselves.
Yeah, Will, the battery powers. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
What?
Will.
What?
Will, what are you doing?
Whoa!
Yeah.
Is that him? Oh yeah. There he goes. Kaboom.
Well, what just happened? Well, I leave the base for 1 second.
Oh,
so
you're going to happen again. Oh,
Crashed?
Oh man, hold on, let me turn on
it's
the
the same thing that happened with
Wait,
Mingler.
no.
For some reason, when okay, well, it's hard to explain because it's related to the controller versus the keyboard. So, the thrusters are bound to the up on the D-pad. Changing from first to third person is right bumper held up on the D-pad, and for some reason, when I changed to third person, I guess it also turned off the thruster, and that's what happened with Mingler
Sir,
too.
would you like us to get you a keyboard and mouse combo?
Well, see, what you need to do is you need to take that sticky note for the controls and turn it upside
They're
down.
upside down.
And something just fell off your ship.
Yeah, Will, do you see the damage report on the...
I do.
Yeah. it's
No,
not-
that's missing.
Oh,
Like when I took off just now, I was. Should have just waited.
Straight down. That's the button next to
Comes
the...
Will.
No.
Teabag!
teabag.
Oh, he's gonna be the teabag mobile.
I don't know if you... Yeah, James pointed that out
No, it's
earlier,
T-Mobile,
Will,
it's
that
magenta.
the armor piece on the front looks like a giant T.
Alright.
Let's put an LCD on the front here.
It says teabag.
Yeah.
So just to boost my own sales numbers, Javelin can also cut a ship in half. And it has missiles.
Yeah, there you go.
Uh-huh.
Oh, connection pop.
Paused.
Boo!
Alright.
Alright, Pickle has gotten the basic setup of Slappy completed, and this is his maiden voyage.
Alright, let's see how.
Here he goes.
And he's stuck to the
And he's
connector.
stuck. That was a great test flight.
Alright, let's try again. There we go.
Oh, here we go. There.
Bye-bye.
Nice.
Just on Atmos. Yeah,
Yeah, that thing moves, man.
not bad.
Oh, so I got nothing but big engines.
Does not slow down for shit though.
What do you have for side thrust?
Did I not?
He's got
Yeah.
one large on.
He's got large. Yeah.
Oh, one large on each.
Yeah.
I wonder if one's enough.
That's
Okay.
drifted.
That's why that's why I was saying. Your side thrusters are not on.
Yeah, I didn't bind them properly. Shit.
Do you want me to turn them on from out
Yeah,
here, or you got it?
we'll turn them on.
Yeah, can you turn them on, please? I guess they weren't
Oh,
on, right?
never mind. I'm dead.
Oh God. Oh, hold on. I can do it. I can do it.
One of them is on. No.
Okay, that's on. Yeah, they were just in the wrong position at first. Okay, there we go.
How's
I would not be in front of me right now.
Go ahead, do it.
I can't do it.
Okay, I'll just try and aim under your feet. Yes.
Awesome.
I can blow up lots of big stuff. That's one volley,
Boots and pants and boots.
and now it
and...
reloads.
That's where my blackberry bushes are at. No.
Oh, go backwards. Back.
That was easy.
Back. Boom.
There we go.
I have no more parts, and I
Oh.
also have no cargo. So.
You did quite a bit of work, though. You know.
Oh yeah, I've been docking.
Crazy.
It's like the third or fourth welding trip.
Hmm.
Yeah, don't get near me right now. This thing's touchy as shit, man.
I guess it is. It is currently stuck.
In the air.
Now on the connector.
And this is not you I'm looking at then,
Probably not. I'm underground mining for gold.
Okay, there's a ship floating in the middle of the air up here. Is
Probably
this you,
mine.
Jason? Oh, is this your miner?
Yeah. This is small grid, large cargo.
Ah, well, neat.
Very
I thought you
cool.
were going to say it's done for testing.
This is taking a while. So unfortunately, I have to move everything deeper on one side.
Ah, I see.
Creek, you missed a perfect "that's what she said" moment.
I was waiting for it. Well, James, you're welcome to help at the welding pit. You're super bored.
Okay. On to the main tower.
Alright, so let's go see what everyone did today. Okay, so Jason, looks like the BAS is doing much better. Much
In there.
chunkier nacelles. Is this you up here? Little tiny you sitting next to Big BAS?
The cockpit that's up there?
This is you welding on the outside. So you want to take me on a tour of what you got done today?
Then the cells were finished, designed, and matched side to side, and then the exterior's pretty much buttoned up. A little more cosmetics, some gyros, med bay, seating, and paint.
So you're saying you're going to go into space next time?
Yep, should be able to.
Have you already got the hydrogen fueled up on your ship?
No, that's got to be filled.
Uh,
I don't have a connector yet connected, so
Well, I mean, it's just fuel.
yeah.
I mean, it's not like a big deal or anything for going to space.
yeah, it's a lot of fuel.
Alrighty. Dr. Hardly Endangered.
Hello.
How's your ship coming along? It looks chunkier than last time I saw it.
Thank you.
Do you have the
It's-
power off on this?
It's coming along. Well, I didn't group my new thrusters, so that's why it's where it is. Because I had to make an emergency shut off.
Okay.
But no, I've got them all grouped up, and I'm about to take off.
Alright, well, the Hardly
Hopefully.
Javelin is up on a piston now, or a connector. You
Yeah, hardly
Great.
Javelin.
grand plans to do with this thing?
Oh, anything but crash it. That's just my. That's all. If I don't crash it, I'm successful, in my book.
Well, there you go.
There you have it,
High
from the
plans.
horse's mouth.
And halfway across the base here, we have a large ore ingot panel here to see what stuff we're missing. And we also have a ice and tanks thing over here, so very amusing. Let's see, import. Looks like you have a long ship.
Yeah, I'm just overcompensating.
So what are we calling this thing?
I don't really have a name for it, but it is a miner. Yay.
How about
'Cause we
long
need
miner
partners.
with like 3
Long miner.
O's?
Did you get
Yeah.
parental consent on that miner?
Oh my god, that's horrible.
James,
I know.
you know what you should do is have a LCD panel going down the side of it that just says
Damn.
long miner.
Dang.
Okay.
I think it'd be fun. And Pickle, how is Slappy coming?
Pretty good.
About ready for space next time?
I think so. I just got these rear rooms pressurized.
It'd be nice for us to all go into space at the same time. See if we can get Will to his station. Yeah, Will, whether Buttle Scutt's ready or not, you do have the pink menace here, so you can tag along to space as well. Is that gonna be a thing? We all go to space.
Oh yeah,
Sure
let's
is.
all go to space.
All go to space. We'll go visit Will's station, 4546B. Alright, and we also upgraded the mining pit this time. So we have 4 welders on both sides that are supposed to come together to weld from the inside out. We have a much more robust control panel over here Still working on it, still not bound up, but you can turn the projector on and off, turn the rotor on and off. You can extend the actual projection piston itself all right here. And then we're going to work on the extents of the other pistons and welding on and off next time. A lot of stuff, very complicated. And hey, we have another Javelin. Blueberry is this flavor. Very nice. Hopefully we'll get a battle that's worthy to utilize all these things sometime in the near future. So next time we're going to aim to go to space, and if there's time in that session or session after that, we'll see about tackling the enemy HQ. They're going down.
Downtown.
But I love it. I don't have sideways thrusters though.
Whoa.
I forgot those.
There he goes.
It's a magical pony flying through the sky
Where are you going in such a hurry?
to see the world.
You're gonna need to come forward.
Sorry, I'm just trying to get myself to stop the side drift for a second.
Try and use
Okay.
gyro to slow you.
All right, I guess I'll just keep rotating. That should.
Will, keep it steady.
Essentially serve
going
the
to,
same purpose.
I'm going to connect the tug to you.
That works. Oh,
Gotcha.
There you go.
that it. We have a latch.
Leave it.
Okay. That's it, right there.
All right, and I should be able to disconnect, and you can.
And connected.
Outstanding.
Cool.
Your
Google.
Google thing.
Yeah. Well, that's very sad.
It is. I'll upload it, whenever.
Looks like a pink nightmare.